Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to bring you an in-depth tutorial on how to create your very own dynamic AI-powered avatar at absolutely no cost. Contrary to what you might expect, the process is incredibly straightforward, and we are going to guide you through each step with detailed explanations. For this demonstration, we will be harnessing the remarkable power of the Nero AI image upscaler. So, let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in into your Nero account. This step is essential to ensure a smooth experience and access all the amazing features Nero has to offer. Now, for those of you who might be feeling a bit uncertain about the account creation or login procedure, there's no need to worry. We've got the extra mile to ensure you are well taken care of, providing an in-depth video guide that will walk you through every single detail of how to get started with Nero Image Upscaler. This fantastic resource can be found right within our video library, where it takes you through the entire process one simple step at a time. Now that you are logged in, let's move on to the exciting part, creating an avatar. At the top left corner of your screen, there is a noticeable option labeled Online AI right next to Mobile AI. To tap into the remarkable capabilities that Nero has in store, such as the exciting ability to breathe life into your pictures, simply click on Online AI. This straightforward action will grant you access to a world of powerful features and creative possibilities. Within the Online AI section, you will find a handy drop-down menu offering a variety of options. For today's tutorial, we're shining the spotlight on the avatar generator. Now, let's dive into the process of generating your photos. It all begins with the upload. Select the image you wish to transform into an avatar. And here's a pro tip. For even better results, consider uploading a minimum of 5 pictures. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've opted to use these individual pictures to create an avatar. But you have the freedom to use your own likeness or that of anyone else you choose. Now, all that is left is to do, just click on Generate button, conveniently located on the right side of the screen. It is important to bear in mind that the time it takes for the processing to complete might fluctuate. It's usually based on the speed of your internet connection. If your internet connection happens to be on the slower side, this could be attributed to either a surge in website traffic or the general speed of your internet service. And there you have it. The process is now complete, and you have successfully crafted your very own personalized avatar, a unique digital representation of your individuality and style. Cherish it and let it be a reflection of your digital presence. If you have more photos you'd like to transform into avatars, don't hesitate to repeat the process. Nero's user-friendly interface and efficiency make it an excellent tool for transforming your cherished memories into dynamic avatars. So, imagine you are absolutely delighted with how your avatar has turned out and you are eager to have it saved. Well, fret not. All you need to do is give that download button a gentle click, conveniently positioned on the right-hand side of your screen. Your masterpiece will be saved to your device, ready to be shared with friends and family. Nero makes it easy to transform your photos into shareable dynamic content. We genuinely hope that this step-by-step tutorial has proven to be a valuable resource in guiding you through the process of creating an avatar with Nero AI Image Upscaler. If you have found this information helpful and are hungry for more fantastic content like this, along with staying in the loop with the most recent advancement in AI tools and techniques, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will ensure that you are always at the forefront of the exciting developments in the world of AI. Before we conclude, we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to you for joining us today and investing your time in exploring the fantastic world of bringing your photos to life through the magic of AI. Always remember, the horizons of creativity are boundless, and Nero AI Image Upscaler is your trusted companion on this artistic journey, ready to transform your visions into tangible reality. We eagerly look forward to having you join us in our next video. Thank you for watching.